stop scrolling, because while most American investors are chasing AI hype and meme stocks, a $1 trillion shift is happening quietly inside NATO, and one European company is positioned to profit more than almost anyone else. That stock is Rheinmetall. Hello everyone, welcome back to Money Move IQ, the channel where we don't chase noise, we chase smart money moves. Today we're breaking down Rheinmetall stock, one of the most misunderstood and undercovered defense plays Americans are sleeping on. This is not about war hype, this is about budgets, contracts and predictable cash flow. For years, NATO countries made a promise: spend at least 2% of GDP on defense. Most of them didn't. They underinvested, delayed upgrades, and relied heavily on the United States. Now geopolitical reality has forced their hand, and they are scrambling to catch up. When analysts add it all up, tanks, ammunition, air defense, logistics, Europe faces a defense equipment shortfall estimated in the trillions. This isn't optional spending. Governments must act. And when governments must act, they turn to companies that already have factories, expertise, and approvals. Rheinmetall isn't just a weapons maker. It's a vertically integrated defense supplier: ammunition, armored vehicles, air defense systems, and even military logistics. That means when NATO spends, Rheinmetall touches multiple layers of the supply chain. Here's what most retail traders miss: Rheinmetall's order backlog. These are signed contracts already locked in. Not hope, not forecasts. Real money scheduled to be delivered over years. This gives investors something rare: visibility. Because it's European, because it's not hyped on Reddit, because it doesn't promise overnight riches, and that's exactly why institutions love it. Quiet stocks with government-backed demand often outperform over time. Defense spending cycles last decades, not quarters. Once a country commits to rearming, it can't stop halfway. Rheinmetall benefits from long-term replacement cycles, upgrades, and maintenance contracts. This is not a hype pitch. Rheinmetall faces risks: political changes, budget delays, currency exposure. Smart investors understand risk before reward. Rheinmetall stock isn't about emotion. It's about positioning part of your portfolio where governments are forced to spend, regardless of economic cycles. Wealth isn't built by predicting headlines. It's built by understanding systems. NATO rearmament is a system. Rheinmetall is a key beneficiary. If this breakdown helped you think differently about Rheinmetall stock, hit like, subscribe to Money Move IQ, and remember, smart money moves aren't loud, they're strategic. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.